Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a Ubiquiti access point. First, let's gather our essential components. You will need your Ubiquiti access point, a Power over Ethernet injector, or a PoE-enabled network switch, and at least one Ethernet cable. These items are fundamental for providing both power and data to your access point, ensuring a smooth setup process. Having everything ready beforehand saves time and makes the installation straightforward. Now, let's make the physical connections. Take your Ethernet cable and plug one end into the access point. If using a PoE injector, connect the other end to the PoE port on the injector. Then, use a second Ethernet cable to link the injector's LAN port to your network router or switch. If you have a PoE switch, simply connect the access point directly to any available PoE port on the switch. This provides both power and network access. With the physical connections complete, it's time for the software setup. Download and install the UniFi network application on a computer connected to the same network. Once installed, launch the application and follow the initial setup wizard. Navigate to the Devices section, where your newly connected access point should appear. Select your access point and click the Adopt button to bring it under the controller's management. This step is crucial for configuration. Finally, let's configure your Wi-Fi and test it. Within the UniFi network application, go to the Settings and then Wireless Networks section. Here, you can create new wireless networks, also known as SSIDs, and set strong security protocols like WPA2 Personal. After saving your changes, the access point will provision the new settings. Connect a device, such as a smartphone or laptop, to your newly created Wi-Fi network to ensure everything is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.